Yes, we're already at the end of this row, and we'll still continue doing a double crochet in each of the stitch. So those are the last stitch. So what do? We reach out for the top of our first double crochet here. So we do our sleeve stitch. So you can notice that it's no more flat, it's already curving up. So that means it's getting ready to fall so that it can enter your head. So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to repeat the same thing. We're going to chain 2. So just below this, we do our first double crochet below our chain 2 space. So we continue with 1. If you notice, there's nothing like 2 1 1 2 1 1 1 here or something. It's just 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. We're just be doing 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and you're good to go. So we'll meet you at the end when the cap is fully done. I hope you understand how this is being done. It is very easy, and you can easily make one for yourself. So we'll meet at the end.